I'm waiting as a guest.
And I'm Darwin as a tour.
Thank you.
Do you have any luggage with you? Okay, bellboy will be helpful. Bellboy, please.
Good morning, welcome to Pihak Bajaj Hotel. Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, this.
Yeah. I would like to check your luggage. You have 1 meters of travel bag. Is that right, sir?
Yes, that's right.
Well, would you like to follow me to the lobby, please?
Yes, please.
May I step, please? This is our receptionist, and you can have registration here. And I will wait for you. Are you ready to go to your room, Mr. Wendy? Mr. Wendy, this is your room.
Yes.
Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. Bellboy, please. After you, please, Mr. Wendy.
Thank you.
Well, Mr. Wendy, this is your room. Might I explain the room facilities on 308.
Yes, please.
Well, we start from bathroom. This is your bathroom. This is your shower. You can enjoy hot and cool water here. And if you want to hot water, you can press red button and blue button for cold water. And this is your bathtub. You can enjoy hot and cool water here. And operational is same with your shower. Well, this is your washing machine. You can wash your hand and your face here. And this is your gas supplies. And our room attendant will check your gas supplies every day.
Yes.
Well, that's all from bathroom.
Thank you.
Please follow me, Mr. Wendy. Mr. Wendy, this is your wardrobe. You can hanging your clothes with a hanger, and this is your laundry bag. You can put your dirty clothes in laundry bag and put it in front of the room. And our valet will be collect the dirty clothes at 10 p.m. And please don't forget to sign the laundry prices. And this is your deposit box. You can keep your valuable things with 3 secret of number or characters. Well, that's all about that.
Yes, so you got the password on the deposit box?
Yes, 3 digits of number, your
Thank you.
secret number. And this is your luggage bag. You can put your luggage over here. And this is your television with local and international channel. And this is your remote control. This is your mini bar. You can enjoy meal and soft drink here, but it will be charged. And this is your dressing table. And this is your air conditioner. And this is a remote control. If you want to increase the temperature, you can turn this button and this button to decrease the temperature. And this is your balcony. Your balcony faces on the beach. The view is so beautiful, is that right, sir? Yes.
Yes, available.
This is your telephone. If you have any problem, you can turn dial O for operator service, dial 2 for front desk, dial 3 for laundry service and housekeeping, and dial 4 for food and beverage. Well, that's all about room facilities, and this is your room K in 308. Is there anything else, Mr. Wendy?
No, thank you, that's enough, and I have some for you.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy stay with us.
Thank you.